Why start Playbook?
The need for education around understanding the person. What Playbook Ed is really about is unlocking the individual, maximizing the potential of that student. I think developing excellence to me is about achieving the best that you can be. Big focus on Playbook Ed is around dual sort of career. Our excellence is different for every person, but it's reaching your full potential.
There's courses to educate educators and coaches, online courses and person courses.
Is understanding what winning is. I think that might be the biggest mistake, is that we're quite fixated on the Saturday afternoon results. Biggest mistake we're making with youth sport is not looking at the different types of winning. I call it winning the moment. Have you communicated well? Have you developed them to be a better person? So I think redefining what the terminology winning means.
If you're solely winning focused, you're not going to learn a lot of lessons along the way.
You can control what you can control. How are you winning those wins? Love for the game, everything based on just the rugby results.
Athlete identity, they need to broaden out and find their worth in other areas. What you become, it's about who you become.
The whole identities around your sport, a dual career dream can achieve in multiple areas. If we work together, then that can happen, definitely.
Prevalent now, and it's really needed now, this education. With social media so exacerbated, not only is it who you are offline, it's who you are online, and new validation.
Goal setting process, absolute schoolboy hero. They aren't looked after, and they aren't helped with extra lessons, and they aren't helped with mentorship. Big problem that we're also going to look to solve.
Focusing on what's best for the student. The aim on the 25th of June of the launch of Playbook Ed is to really showcase where we want to go, platform, and how we want to educate role players and people involved in youth sport, connect with like-minded people. Really hoping that this will be a good launching pad for us to make a positive impact in the rest of South Africa and around the world.
Nice just to connect with a lot of people who love sport.
It's a really good opportunity to get the conversation started.
Today's a combination of presentations, myself talking about developing an overall sports program for the whole school. 3 different panels focuses on the student athletes. How do we define winning for professional sport versus school sport? Have people walk this journey with us, join us in this process.
Just love communication and communication systems, and there's so much we can learn from it.
Just won the Varsity Cup. Ryan Bailey, who's a professional cricketer, and
Teresa Shihao,
the winning captain of UCT Varsity Cup people, professional rugby player, and Suleiman Hartzenberg. Ryan Bailey from Stellenbosch, professional cricketer himself. Robbie Fleck, a unique insight being former Springbok rugby player. Stephen Cook, former Proteas cricketer. Mustafa Kasim, professional hockey player for South Africa.
Ryan Bailey,
Jack Groom,
Stephen Cook,
Dan Abramson,
for Casimir.
Playbook in 3 words.
Starting, forward thinking, developing.
Educate, empower and develop.